Hello everyone, welcome back to Research Campus. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you 16 amazing WhatsApp tips and tricks. So we're going to quickly kick it off by taking care of our privacy on the app. So the first tip is hiding your WhatsApp messages or keeping your chat private. So let's say you have some messages that you don't want nosy relatives or friends to go through your phone and eventually read the messages. So what you can do is to hide these messages. So you can simply just go to your chat and then just hold down the DP of the chat until you see this tick, and then go to the top. You're going to see the archive icon right at the top. Just click on that and you'll be able to archive all the chats so that whenever someone opens your phone, they will not be able to see the chat immediately. Now when you look at the top right here, you're going to see archived. So when you click on that, you'll be able to see all the chats that you have kept private, so you can just go through it and read it. Now this method does not completely hide your messages or keep your chats private, because anybody can just click on archived and they'll be able to read your messages. But a lot of people don't know this trick, so it is a handy trick to use if you want to keep your messages private. But there's another way you can also hide your messages, which is the best option, which is using the chat lock option. So what you can do is simply go to the profile of the person and scroll down. You'll be able to see chat lock and just click on that, and you can set a password or fingerprint and lock the chat. But as of now, this feature is not available for every WhatsApp user, so if you are not able to access this feature, then you can simply archive your chat to keep your messages private. The next WhatsApp privacy trick is to hide your profile picture. Now if you want to hide your profile photo, simply go to chat and click on the three dots, click on settings and click on privacy, and next click on profile photo right here, and you can simply choose who you want to hide your profile photo from. Now you can choose if you want to hide from all your contacts or from a specific contact or from nobody right here. If you ever want to prevent just about anyone who has your WhatsApp number from adding you to some random WhatsApp group without your permission, then what you can do is to open up your WhatsApp, click on the three dots at the top and click on settings, and then click on privacy. Then just scroll down until you see groups. Click on groups, and right here you have the option to select who can add you to a WhatsApp group. Now on default is going to be on everyone, meaning anyone who has your contact or your number can add you to a group without your permission. So you can narrow it down by selecting just your contact list, or again, if you're not comfortable with that, you can further narrow it down by select specific contact on your contact list. Now, if you want to prevent a contact or contacts from seeing when you were online or when you were last seen online on the app, so they don't call you or start asking you for crazy favors, then go to your settings and go to privacy. You're going to see last seen and online. So this is where you can decide who can see when you were online or when you were last seen online. WhatsApp has added another great feature to the app, which is the ability to edit sent messages. So if you have made a mistake, maybe some spelling errors in your text, or maybe you have sent some weird text messages that you were not supposed to send, so you can edit the message. So just simply hold down the sent message until you see the three dots at the top, click on it, and you see the edit option. When you click on that, you'll be able to edit your sent messages. So you can now kiss all the spelling errors and the awkward messages that you've sent by mistake goodbye. Now, if you're like me and you hate reading text with smaller fonts, then you can change the font size of your text on WhatsApp. To do that, simply go to settings and click on chat, and then scroll down. You're going to see font size. So these are the options that it gives you. You can choose the small, medium, or the large size. Personally, I like to go for the large size. When I click on that, you can see that my text size have increased. If you want to give a new look to your WhatsApp chat center, then you can do that by changing the wallpaper of your message center. So to change the wallpaper, simply open up your phone and click the three dots, click on settings, and then go to chat, click on wallpaper. You're going to see the default wallpaper that you're using. So to change it, click on change at the bottom right here, and you're going to see the different themes that will give you. So you can choose the bright theme, the dark, or the solid colors, or even add a photo. Now to use any of them, just simply tap on it to open it up, and you can select from the varieties that I've given right here. Now when you select any, just click on set wallpaper, and it's going to set it up. Now if you want to use your photo, you can simply click on my photos, and it's going to take you to your gallery. Just tap in on your photo and you can set up your own photo as your wallpaper. But if you like using solid colors, then you can choose from the variety of solid colors that are available right here. While we're at it, we can also change the entire look of our WhatsApp by changing the theme. So to do that, go to settings and go to chat, and go at the top you're going to see theme. Now on theme, when you click on that, you'll be able to change from the system default theme to the light mode or to the dark mode. So I personally like the dark mode because it just makes my text look more brighter, and of course it reduces the light rays to my eyes. Do you know on WhatsApp you can set up different ringing tones for each of your contacts? So to do that, open up the profile of your contact, scroll down until you see custom notification. Now when you click on that, turn the use custom notification button on, and then scroll down until you see ringtone. Now when you click on that, you'll be able to select a music or a sound from your phone. You can also select a sound from your phone's recorder, so that means you can record a sound using your recorder and then use it as a ringtone of your contact. If you have sent a photo or an image to someone through WhatsApp before, then you must have realized that the image quality reduces. And that is because by default, WhatsApp reduces the photo quality by 70%. Now, if you want to send a higher definition quality photo to someone through WhatsApp, then to do that, open up the message tab of the contacts, click on the pin icon, and then click on gallery. When you open up the photo, at the top, you're going to see HD. Click on HD, and right there you'll be able to see HD quality. So just tap on the HD quality and then click the send button, and you'll be able to send a more higher definition quality photo. You can use stickers on WhatsApp to stylize your messages and make them look 10 times better. Who doesn't love stickers, right? To use stickers, open up your message tab and click on the emoji icon, and when you're there, you're going to see the different emojis that you can use. You can also use GIFs if you want, but go to the next tab and you'll be able to create stickers. Click on the plus icon and you'll be able to download stickers. So on WhatsApp, they give you different stickers that you can download. If you click the download button, you'll be able to download the group of stickers at once. So when you go to my stickers, they'll be available there. Now to use these stickers, go under the message, click on stickers, and all the stickers that you have downloaded is going to be available for you to use right here. When it comes to updating your status on WhatsApp, you can create some really cool and creative status updates without leaving the WhatsApp app. Now let's take a look at a few of them. I'm going to start by uploading a picture without clicking the send button. Click the text tool at the top and then just type in a text. I'm going to write G right here. And then at the top, you're going to see the A button. Just tap on it to change the canvas color of the text. You can see the color changes. I'm going to leave it blank. Now to change the font size of your text, just come down here and choose from the different fonts. Then just touch the color ribbon to change the color of your text. And when you're done, just click on the done button at the top. And now just use your finger, just drag and expand the text so that it looks bigger like this. So you can keep doing the same thing, add in another text, and then just change in the color of the text and do the same thing, make it to look bigger. And now just use this little pen tool and you just change the color again by touching the little ribbon, color ribbon, and then just write. Again, I'm using my fingers to write, so you can do that as well. Next, click on the sticker option at the top and you can add in a sticker from the sticker list. So you can make it look like this and just send it as your status update. So the next one is to add in a photo like this, and then you can just use the pen tool and just doodle on it. Change the color to white by touching the white and then just hold like this and draw, and then just doodle like that. So you can basically just do anything you want and make it look cute. And then again, click the done button when you're done, and you can add in a sticker by clicking the sticker tool at the top, and then just look for a sticker that fits what you want to post as a status update, and then just post there and click the send button. Oops, without forgetting a text, because what's a good post without a text, right? So I decided to add in hashtag Thursday vibe because I was doing this on Thursday. Another creative status update you can do is to create GIFs. To create a GIF, click on your camera and then just start recording whatever you want to record. I'm going to record this series I was watching, and when you're done, at the top you're going to see GIFs, so just turn that on and it's going to turn your recording into a GIF. Now go to stickers and add in just a few stickers if you want, like what I'm doing right here. Just make it pop out and then just add in maybe a time, something of that sort, and just add in again a text, because what's a good post without a text, right? And then just send the status update. So that's a creative idea that you can do and then send it as an update. You could also use special characters to create some really cool status updates. So first up, you need to upload a picture without, of course, clicking the send button. Click the text tool, and now you're going to add in a special character. So instead of adding a text, we're going to add in a special character like the little dots. So I'm going to add in this dot, and it works just like a text. So you can change the canvas color. You can also change the color of the dots. So when you're done with that, just hold again and drag and make it look bigger like so until it fills your screen, and click on the done button, and then go again and add in another dot, and then change the color and make it bigger like this. Next, we're going to go to stickers, and then now you can add in a Christmas tree by just typing in Christmas, and you're going to see Christmas trees right here. You can just add it, adjust it, and we're going to type in another Christmas tree, and we're going to pick the one that we want and then adjust it like so. And then next, you're going to add in some gifts. So go and add in presents at the search bar, and you're going to see the presents that you can use. You can just adjust them. And next, we're going to go to clouds. So we're going to look for clouds that we can use to create this realistic Christmas environment. So we're going to adjust our clouds and add in so many clouds to make it realistic. And then when we're done with that, we're going to add in maybe sparkles or some little stars. So I'm going to add in the sparkles and just adjust it like so. And then next, you can add in something like a text, or just to make it pop out, I'm going to add in a text and write Merry Christmas, change the color to white, and that is it. So it makes it look so cool, and that is an easy status update that you can do. Another way we can use special characters is by just uploading a photo, for example this coffee, and then I'm going to add in some doodles again by using the pen tool at the top, and then come here, add in some special characters and just adjust them like this. So I'm going to add in a lot of them. So I'm going to adjust them, make them around the coffee, and once I'm done with that, I can now add in text. So it's easy. So once it's adjusted, you can go to the text tool, add in text. So I'm going to add each text and then place them on top of each of the special characters, and this just makes it looks like the best. Like I took a lot of time, so it just gives it that creativity. It makes your status look so good. Alright guys, so those are some of the WhatsApp tips and tricks I had for you today. I hope you use them, and also let me know in the comment section which one of them was useful. So thank you so much for watching, and please do not forget to hit the subscribe button if you have not subscribed yet, and also leave a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching again, and see you in the next video.